You need more customers. Yes, you have a website, but can customers find you? We understand your frustration and challenges. 91% of people find products and services through search engines like Google, which has 67% search share. If you're not visible on search engines, then a huge number of your target market will not be able to find you. Do you know how many potential visitors you are missing by not having SEO done for you? When you are missing out on visitors, it means that you're also missing out on customers. Visitors become leads and leads become customers. So you are failing to acquire customers and other opportunities if your website is not optimized for search engines. And don't forget, 94% of businesses put SEO as their primary source of leads, which means you need to get into the SEO game and play ball. Have you always wanted to become more visible on search engines and eventually reach the first page of Google for your important keywords? But you didn't understand the importance of SEO enough to get started. The price of SEO was a deal breaker, or your current provider is simply not performing for you. Well, you've come to the right place. We want your business to become more successful. We will increase your online visibility, visitors, leads and customers. You will get results from our SEO services because we create high quality content. We focus on creating content that is valuable to your target market, not keyword stuffed and unreadable articles. One type of content we produce is promotional based content, which is targeted to your existing and potential customers. This content will contain anything from promos, coupons, sales and current discounts you have to offer. We create blog posts that your prospects want to share with their friends. We create press releases, company updates, and industry news that makes your prospects more interested in your products and services. We set up your Google Plus authorship. Google Plus authorship stamps your content with Google Plus markup, identifying you or your appointed person as the author or publisher of the content published on your website and blog. When we stamp Google authorship on a piece of content, you are given credit for it through Google's eyes, and the accumulation of authorship credits can help you to rank higher in the search engines. We ensure proper website and URL structuring. We optimize your pages, ensuring your site has the proper structure. A proper site and URL structure make users navigate and flow easily across your website. A faulty URL structure, on the other hand, confuses users and makes it difficult for search engine crawlers to index your pages and content. We'll also carry out URL mapping to determine which pages should be optimized for what keyword. We optimize your search engine tags, including your meta tags, allowing your site to communicate better with the search engines. We will optimize page titles, descriptions, and even alt text for images. Tweaking your coding will enable search engines to index your pages faster and rank them higher for your chosen keywords. We will utilize social media and social publication. When we publish new content on your blog or anywhere online, who knows about it? We make sure everyone knows about it. We make sure that when we publish content about you, everyone in your social world and beyond will know about it. We set up accounts for you in the top social media and social sharing sites, the top blogs, as well as the top press release sites. When we publish content, we let the world know through the accounts that we've established online for your company. We build and attract natural links. Because of the high quality content we create, we are able to attract natural links. Authority sites are more likely to link back to your site and therefore pass link juice to your pages. We carry out natural link building techniques that do not over-optimize anchor text or use any kind of black hat scheme that violates search engine guidelines. The more quality links we build to your website, the higher your website will rank, the more visitors you will get, and of course, this will turn into more sales. You need to ensure that your provider understands your business and your industry. After all, your provider will serve as your online machine. They must have your marketing objectives as the blueprint in their mind to ensure that every effort is working toward your business goals. Your online marketing company should be capable of laying out the business plan to your online success. But in order to do that, they must intimately understand your business and your business plan. We want to get to know you. That's why, unlike other providers, we first go through an in-depth consultation with our clients. We want to thoroughly understand what your business is, who your target customers are, and how we can help to meet their needs. This way, we are aligned with your goals. We'll propose ways on how we can help you based on the research we do and our free consultation with you. We are here to help you grow your business. We have the know-how and expertise in the SEO industry. We want to understand your business and your worries. We want to gain your trust by displaying our intelligence and show you performance through our professional execution. If people think that we are passionate about our marketing, they should see how passionate we are about our clients' marketing. We want to be responsible for your success and help your company grow. Give us a call to learn more about how we can help you grow your business today.